this big and you wanted it that big, that's not fair. So all it has to be consistent and the same. And you guys did a great job of making sure everything was consistent and the same. Skills. I'm gonna go with the Rebels. I thought the Rebels. I saw the Rebels working, chopping, cutting, just really good skills, being really smart about making sure they did it at the time.
Yep.
And then finally, they're all the same, but taste. I think taste is very, very closely between the Top Chiefs and the Dolphins, but I think overall I have to go with the Dolphins on taste because of the products.
Dolphins are killing it.
In terms of the products as it goes by course, because when we judge competition, we judge by course. The appetizer, I thought the macaroni and cheese bites were really good. Now also, I was going by my own taste, but I was also going by you guys. What was popular? What did you guys want to eat? What did you guys enjoy? Because you're the customers.
We love the macaroni and cheese.
A lot of people going after macaroni and cheese, right side. For the main dish, I think everybody probably agrees it was that ground turkey casserole. That was certainly for me as a main dish. I'll tell you the truth. I'll be very honest. I think that turkey casserole is almost good enough where you could probably serve it in a dining room for real. I think
Oh my God.
yesterday I was working with some of the people at Perkins, and I was going around working in different kitchens and serving lunch to the students. And I can't see why that turkey casserole, little changes here and there, wouldn't be good enough to serve to the whole school. That was really a good product.
Hey now.
The dessert, I split right down the middle between the pumpkin bars and the pumpkin Oreo Dreamboat. Yeah. I thought the apple thing was good too. It's just the apples were a little undercooked. You really have to remember this when you leave this room. Remember, a slow cooker cooks slow. That's the whole point. So it's got to be there for a long time. That's the whole point.
But now, would you rather something undercooked or overcooked?
I'm sorry?
Would you rather something burnt or undercooked?
Well, I wouldn't. It's not going to burn in a slow cooker because the slow cooker's not good at fire.
No, I know.
I'd rather have something. I don't know. It depends. I mean,
that's a tough one.
It's tough.
But overall.
Overall, you got to learn to do it that it's right.
Right, but
if you guys, I heard a lot of you guys talk about wanting to become cooks and chefs. That's always great, right? And I also, I run a bunch of kitchens in the summertime, and I'm always willing to speak to people who want to come and help us during the summer for a week or so, right?
I'm available.
And I think that's all great, but the answer is when you cook for a lot of people, you have to do it right, and you keep practicing. Overall, the winner of the grand prize of today with regards to making sure that everything was good. The flavor was good, the teamwork was good, the presentation was good, the cleanliness was good. Overall, it goes to the Top Chiefs.
Yeah. They don't call the Top Chiefs for nothing.
I thought the Top Chiefs, I thought everyone but I think overall, as a group, that was the group.
It's your party.
Thank you very much. I'll see you
Thank
guys
you,
next year.
Rob.
One more thing. 3 cheers for Rob.
Yeah.
Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Bravo. Bravo.
Give my best to Jess.
I will. Thanks, guys. Yeah, I will. I'll tell her today. I'm listening now.
Rob's well done. He's gonna go attend to his own life now. I want to see right here. Nope, he is.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Simon, what song is this?
It's We Like to Party by the Mango Boys. Thought that would be a good one.
What?
We Like to Party by the Mango Boys.
You mean the Baka Boys? B-A-K-A? Or...
Is it the band?
Yeah, you know it's your oh my god. What are you all ready for? Ready for? I'm always ready. So you did eat enough and now you're ready for bed? I'm always ready for bed. Alright. What else are you doing?
So even right after you get up, you're ready to go back to sleep?
Ours is